This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to get Parallels Desktop on your Mac. So first things first, I do have a video. I do have an offer in the video description. If you click on my link there, you can get a 14-day free trial of Parallels Desktop for your Mac. So once you click my link, you'll end up on a page like this or very similar, depending on how Parallels change it over time. So you can instantly buy right here, or you can try for free. You can actually get this 14-day free trial here. There are download instructions here with little videos and stuff. It's super handy. You can get the DMG directly from here as well if you just want to test drive it from there. But I recommend getting the free trial. It's 14 days. You can try out the platform, see if it is for you. If it isn't, that's fine. You can cancel it anytime. If it is, you can stick around and get one of their paid plans. So I recommend you check out my link, check out Parallels, see if it is the right tool for you. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.